Are you ready to take control of your tire pressure with a simple, reliable, and portable tool? In today's video, we're diving into the AstroAI Pencil Tire Pressure Gauge, the must-have gadget for every car owner. How does it work, and why should it be a staple in your glove box? And see how it could be your ultimate road trip companion. About the product. The stainless steel components prevent rust and corrosion, while the precision-crafted nozzle seamlessly seals onto the valve stems for highly accurate readings, plus or minus 2% span. Measures from 10 to 75 psi, 70 to 550 kilopascals, and 0.7 to 5.5 bar. The four-side indicator bar is made of ABS materials and provides clear readings. The pencil gauge is highly compact and integrated and includes a deflator valve for deflation needs. This gauge is compatible with cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and other vehicles. The gauge can be easily stowed in a glove box, tool belt, workbench, or even a pocket. The pocket clip makes it easy to carry and quick to access. The battery-free design means this tool will never require maintenance and is reliable in all weather conditions. It is a must-have tool for road trips and safe vehicle maintenance. Package includes Using method. Ensure you've the AstroAI Pencil Tire Pressure Gauge. Unscrew the cap on your tire's valve stem. Press the pencil gauge onto the valve stem. Hold the gauge on the valve until a seal has formed and the measurement has been taken. It should only take a second if you have a good seal. The pressure gauge gives measurements in PSI, kPa, and bar. To remove air, use the deflation stem on the opposite side of the nozzle head. Remove the gauge and replace the valve stem cap. Enjoy your journey with confidence and ease. If you are interested in picking up the AstroAI Pencil Tire Pressure Gauge 2-pack, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Features. Specifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.